Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is the last day of 2024. And for me in my house, 2024 was a bit challenging. We had some damage to our house from our neighbor's tree. I had a few medical blips on the radar screen. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 had a few medical blips. Got in an accident. Somebody rammed me from behind. Almost had identity theft in April of this year. That was fun. So, I don't want to say I'm glad 2024 is over, but I'm the eternal optimist. If you knew me in real life, I'm always looking ahead. When life gives me lemons, we say in the United States, I make lemonade. And for those of you that may have had a rough 2024, hey, tomorrow's a new day. Tomorrow's a new year. Wipe the slate clean. You've got a fresh start. For those of you that have been knocking on doors that haven't opened yet, keep on knocking. Those doors are going to open in 2025. For those of you that started like new businesses and you're struggling, you're going to flourish in 2025. For those of you that are invested in crypto for the first time and you've seen nothing but your portfolio in the red, that's going to change in 2025. We're going green, baby. We're going green. So, I always do a lot of self-reflecting of my life in like December and January of every year. What I need to change, what new habits I need to do, what I need to learn. And I'm going to make 2025 a good year. Notice how I said I'm going to make 2025 a good year. Good things happen to those that grind, that persevere, that have purpose, that have passion. Success doesn't happen by accident. Whatever metric you want to use, success doesn't fall out of the sky and hit you in the head. Success comes, again, however you want to measure it. Success comes when you plan, when you work. And that's all I'll say about that. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Hey, if you want to help a country and receive passive income at the same time, check out the referral link below for Dabba Network for $199. This is a true passive income project. You buy a hotspot, a router, they install it for you in India, and you receive passive income. That's all you need to do. One router, is $199. Take a look at it. It's a true passive income platform, and you're helping 700 million people in India get connected to Wi-Fi. Anyhow, that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Got to go to the grocery store, and you know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.